Using charts in PowerPoint. A chart is an important part of PowerPoint to display data in pictorial form. It makes it easier to draw comparison and analyze the growth, relationship and trends among the values in a table. Types of charts.
For each type of chart, pictures should be added. PowerPoint provides a variety of different chart formats, such as bar, column, pie, line, area, scatter, surface, etc. Let's learn about them.
Line chart. It is used to show trends over a period of time. It is similar to plotting a graph on a graph paper with its values on X and Y axis. It uses connecting dots to display trends over a period of time. Column chart. It is usually used to display the data in the form of vertical bars. It is used to show the changes in data over a period of time or comparison among the different data items. The categories are represented on the horizontal axis and the values are represented on the vertical axis. Pie chart. It is a circular chart divided into sectors where each sector shows the relative size of each value. It always shows only one data series.
You can make a pie chart for data series with categories having non-zero and no negative values. You cannot have more than 7 categories in a pie chart.
It is useful when you want to emphasize on a significant element. Area chart. It is used to display the quantitative magnitude of the data graphically. These charts are based on the features of the line chart. They basically emphasize the area between the line and the axis with the help of the colors, textures, pictures, etc. Bar chart. The bar chart displays the data in the form of long rectangular rods, also called bars. These bars can be placed horizontally on the chart area. It illustrates the comparisons amongst the individual items. In this chart, categories are represented on the vertical axis and values are represented on the horizontal axis. Scatter chart. Scatter charts are known as XY scatter plot charts. They show the correlations between the two sets of values. The X and Y axis is used to represent the data plots on the chart. Components of a chart.
Following are the main components of a chart.
Chart title. Chart title describes the main aim and content of the chart. X-axis. X-axis is the horizontal axis of the chart. It is also called the category axis. Y-axis. Y-axis is the vertical axis of the chart. It is also called the value axis. Plot area. It is a rectangular area bounded by the two axes. It contains the actual chart and includes the plotted data, data series, category and value axis. Data series. Data series is related to the set of values. It is represented by the bars or slices that represent the data values.
Multiple data series in a chart are represented by different colors or styles. Data labels. Data labels show details about a data series or its individual data points, which includes data values, category name, series name, legend keys, and values from cells.
Grid lines. These can be either horizontal or vertical lines, depending on the selected chart type. It makes it easier to read and understand the values. Legend. Legend is a key which shows the meanings of symbols and colors used in the chart. Chart area. The area that includes all objects and elements in a chart. Creating a chart. To create a chart, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the slide on which you want to add a chart. Click on the Charts command under the Illustrations group of the Insert tab. The Insert Chart dialog box appears. Step 2. Select the type of chart from the left pane and chart format from the right pane. Step 3. Click on OK button. When you click on the OK button, a chart will be inserted on a slide and an Excel worksheet will also open containing the sample data.
You can replace the placeholder data in Excel with your information.
Formatting a chart. PowerPoint provides various tools to improve the appearance of a chart. When you select a chart on a slide, a new contextual tab named Chart Tools will appear.
The Chart Tools tab contains two tabs named Design and Format.
These tabs contain various commands to change the layout, style, type, and shape of the chart. Let's learn about some of these in detail. Change chart type. You can change the type of an existing chart at any time. Perform the following steps to change the chart type. Step 1.
Select the chart and click on the Change Chart Type command of the Type group under the Design tab.
Of the Chart Tools tab,
The Change Chart Type dialog box will appear.
Step 2. Click on Line from the left panel of the Change Chart Type dialog box. Step 3. Click on the Line with Markers option from the right panel. Step 4. Click on the OK button. The chart will change to line chart similar to this. Changing chart layout. You can change the layout of your chart. This means that you can format, move, and even add components of a chart. Perform the following steps to change the chart layout.
Step 1. Select the chart and click on Add Chart Element command from the chart. Layouts group under the Design tab.
of the Chart Tools tab,
A drop-down list appears.
Step 2. Select the above chart option to add a title at the top center of your chart. Step 3. Using the Access Titles command under the Layout tab, you can add titles to both X-axis and Y-axis. Remember, X-axis is the horizontal axis and Y-axis is the vertical axis.
Step 4. The Legend command under the Chart Layouts group is used to move the legend of the chart to left, right, top, or bottom. It is also used to hide the legend in case there is only one series of data.
Changing chart design.
PowerPoint 2016 has some inbuilt chart styles and layouts. These layouts are listed in the Chart Layouts group of the Design tab. You can select the chart and click on any of these layouts to change the design of your chart. You can also change the color scheme of your chart.
Select a scheme from Chart Styles group under the Design tab. A 3D effect can also be applied to the chart using these chart styles. A 2D and 3D chart styles may look like these.